Welcome to my channel, Making Money with Marty Moose. This channel, we're just going to talk about ways to make money, things that I've discovered over the years. All the information presented here is for informational purposes only, does not constitute financial investment or other advice. Just want to kind of give up a checkup on the portfolio. So here's where it's sitting. I want to talk about a couple stocks in particular. What I call these level 3 plays, CTRM and ZOM. I talked about Disney before. That one has it's been on the rise. So I have this in my Schwab and my WeBull account. ARKX is doing well. It's up about maybe 2 or 3%. But CTRM, we'll talk about that. So we're going to go to the WeBull, so we can kind of see the stock here, and it's taken a big nosedive. And so what had happened here, I think this was just on Monday, the company offered like a direct sale of stock, and it's good for the company because it raises capital, but it's kind of bad for the investor. And that's why it just sunk down. What I read was like $125 million they were going to raise by selling directly, a direct public offering, not a direct offering, not a direct public offering, a direct offering. That's 65 cents a share. And so, that just, to me, it just ends up diluting, the shares that you own. And it kind of just suffered because of that. And since then, it's just kind of been trading sideways, which means it doesn't really move that great up and down. It just kind of goes across, and it's doing the same today. I still like this one. I still think they have a potential based upon what they do. Hopefully, they're going to take that money and buy another ship, and they can go do their business of basically shipping bulk dry goods. The other one, ZOM, it's up today. This one's kind of been languishing. You can see my position. I own 37 shares, down $28, but more importantly, down 35%. So this is one, if it kind of gets back up, I'm going to wait and see if it kind of can come back up with a little bit of time. I'm probably going to pivot out of this one, meaning I'm going to sell this one and invest in something else. ARQX, which is kind of, again, the level 3 one, a lot more volatile. I need to get better at how I capture my screen here. ARQX, we're up 3%, so it's just been a steady rise as far as that goes. So I'm still very favorable about this. Again, space exploration and innovation, I think, is the new frontier. So that's, if they can, as we do more in space with space travel, commercial satellite launches, commercial space, these companies will just kind of head on up. So I'm still very favorable on that. So it's been a while since I made a video. I wasn't feeling too well, so I did want to kind of retouch on these. These in the level 2, I'm just still waiting patiently for them. There's still below what my average share price is. So if you wanted to kind of average down a little bit, and you had some money buying power, you can probably continue to still do that. CRIS is doing well. I'm in on my other accounts at an average cost of about 10, so we can kind of see that it's still kind of going up there. And again, I think it'll just continue to rise. What did I get in? No, I'm not in it in here. That's right. So again, I'm doing this with this Robinhood account. It's down about $450. This is kind of a patience game. We don't make money overnight. The theory is if I can take $5,000 and invest it smartly into securities, it's going to do a lot better than than taking the same money and putting it in a bank, which earns 0%. So again, patience is the key. These are all doing well up here. This one, if you had owned it, you would have gotten paid a dividend. You can kind of see, for mine. Now I've got 15.049406 shares. So I got fractional shares because it pays an dividend at the end of every month. So this is good, and that's why we got it. So again, up 3%. Anyhow, again, if you like their information presented, you can go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, like and comment. I'll try to get to those if I can. I appreciate